Good morning from the Campus Weather Service. Student meteorologist Ryan Bells here with your Center County weather report for today, Friday, January 30th. Is it me, or did the month of January fly right by? And we're going to be breezing our way right into February. Windy conditions today, tonight, and tomorrow. Winds could be gusting upwards of 30, even 40 miles an hour. And with these windy conditions and the cold temperatures, wind chills are going to feel like they're in the negative teens. We have a wind chill advisory tonight going into tomorrow. I'll talk about that coming right up. In addition to the cold and windy conditions, sunshine is going to be in store tomorrow before, well, the snow returns Sunday night going into Monday evening. I'll have that in your full forecast coming right up. Live look right now out our weather window overlooking the Arboretum. You can see we got a nice fresh coating of snow late last night and first thing this morning throughout the Center County region and throughout all of central Pennsylvania as well. We picked up a few inches throughout the Commonwealth. And the flakes that we saw this morning and last night are going to linger throughout the first part of today, but by the afternoon hours, we're just looking at mostly cloudy skies for your Friday. Like I mentioned, cold temperatures and windy conditions are going to be the story. Wind chill advisory in effect for Center County starting tonight at 7 o'clock and going through tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. We're going to see wind chills dip down into the negative teens. It's going to get very cold out there with these winds and cold temperatures. So do make sure you bundle up if you're headed out today, tonight, or tomorrow morning. Right now, though, temperatures, we're sitting right around 30 degrees in Center County, 30 at State College, 28 at AccuWeather, Stormstown, 27. But with the wind, it's feeling a whole lot colder than that out there this morning. Across the entire Commonwealth, 20s and 30s are the story, 33 in Harrisburg, 31 in Williamsport. Some teens reported up in the northwestern portions of the state, 18 in Franklin, and 19 degrees right now in Erie. But keep in mind, these are just the temperatures. They're not the feel-like temperatures, so it feels a whole lot colder out there as you're headed off to work or school this morning. Satellite and radar across the Commonwealth. You can see the snow showers that we saw late last night and first thing this morning push through the area. Get a nice fresh coating of snow on the ground throughout the area. And we're still left with a few flakes throughout the area for the next few hours, but by the noontime hour, those flakes should start to dissipate, and we're just looking at mostly cloudy skies to end off the work week. Wider view, you can see the snow showers pushing up and out of our region, and some more snow affecting portions of New England, where they got hammered with upwards of 30 inches of snow earlier this week from the system that moved through. Futurecast mapping it out for you. This morning, we're still looking at a few flakes possible throughout most of central Pennsylvania, but come the noontime hour, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies to be the story throughout the afternoon hours. And then tonight, we're going to see clouds dissipate. We're going to turn partly to mainly clear this evening. Low temperatures going to bottom out in the single digits, but with that wind, like I keep mentioning, it's going to feel even colder out there. Make sure you bundle up because it's going to be bitterly cold this evening and going into the first part of your Saturday as well. Stopping the clock Saturday afternoon, you can see mainly sunny skies are going to be the story tomorrow. Not a cloud in the sky throughout central Pennsylvania. A few clouds off to western portions of the state, but nothing in the skies tomorrow throughout central Pennsylvania. Then going into Saturday evening, we still today mainly clear throughout the area. Your forecast for today, though, mostly cloudy, going to be windy. 24 degrees is what we're calling for a high temperature. Winds gusting upwards of 35 miles an hour. Tonight, temperatures dipping down into the single digits. Wind chills in the negative teens under partly cloudy skies. Your week ahead, mapping it out for you there. Cold and windy today, 24. Then take a look at that. We cool it down going into end of the weekend and start next week. Some snow moves back in late Sunday and into the first part of Monday. We could pick up another few inches of snow from this system as it moved through. But then take a look at this. Still cold next week. -2 is what we're calling for an overnight low Monday into Tuesday. Make sure you bundle up for the week ahead. But I couldn't leave you without our Super Bowl forecast. New England Patriots taking on the Seattle Seahawks in the Super Bowl out in Arizona this weekend. As you can see, as a Patriots fan myself, rooting on the Patriots for this weekend's game. 6:30 kickoff out in Arizona. We're going to see some fog early throughout portions of Glendale, and that fog's going to burn off throughout the day as you're tailgating. Mostly sunny skies are going to be the story. Temperatures at kickoff, mid-60s. That's all from the Campus Weather Service and the Center County Report. We'd like to thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful Super Bowl weekend.